Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to connect your laptop. This is an Acer laptop to your TV. And this TV right here is smart TV. It's a Hisense 65 inch. These are some good TVs. I got one in my bedroom and we got one up here. I'll probably get a couple of more. This is 65 inch. For $498, a little after tax, maybe $550, you can't beat that. These are really good TVs. And the one I had in my room, I've had it for almost 10, maybe 15 years and haven't had any problems. But I'm gonna show you how to connect. And what you wanna do is make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected and your Wi-Fi on your computer is connected. So they're on the same network. Since you're in your house, I'm pretty sure you got the same network. So we use AT&T, so we connect it to both of them. So the first thing you wanna do is go over here in the corner down here. I'm gonna zoom in. This is your notifications. You wanna click on that. Once you click on it, this screen will pop up on your computer. And what you wanna do, either go to connect or project. And you got all this other stuff you can change on your computer, but we're gonna go to project here. Once you go to project, you can do PC screen only, duplicate, extended. So we're gonna do the PC only right here. Then you wanna come down here where it says connect to a wireless device. You click on this, and then what's gonna happen is gonna bring up what wireless devices you got. You know, see I got the 65 inch up here in my office, and there's 40 inches in my room. So if my wife is in the room, I can click on this and she can see what I'm seeing. So we're gonna click on this 65 inch, which is here. I'm gonna click on it. And now you see it says connecting. If I zoom back, you're gonna notice that my TV is connected now. So once it's connected, you're good. So we can click on this video here on my computer and we can play it. It's gonna play on my screen.
I got back, I checked it again. So let's see what I got now. And before, there we go, we log it on. It's at $98,300.
So it's playing on both mine. I'm gonna pause this.
That's what it is today.
So I'm gonna hit pause. You see that same picture here is on my computer screen, and now it's on my big 65 inch Hisense screen. So if I want to disconnect, I can just go right here at the top and hit disconnect. And if you don't want this to be showing on your screen right here, you can just click right here and hit unpin. Once it unpins, it just takes it back down here to the notification. I click on my notification, and if I want to disconnect, I just go to project and just go up here to the top and hit disconnect. Once I hit disconnect, you notice that the screen is now off of my TV, my 65 inch Hisense TV. So that's all to it. So we're gonna connect it once again. Go down here, and we're just gonna hit connect this time. We're gonna go to project, we're gonna hit connect, and it's gonna ask me which TV. I'm gonna go with this 65 inch, click it, and you're gonna notice it's gonna go on the screen. And there you go. It's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. And if you click that connect on your Hisense TV, you may have to hit OK, because the first time I had to hit OK to accept it. All right, again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.